Do you want to learn how to add lightweight Facebook comments section for WordPress posts? Watch this video till end. Install this plugin called Lazy Social Comments from Plugin Settings. It is very lightweight Facebook comments plugin with lazy load facility. It loads comments after user clicking on a button or scrolling down. It saves page load time. Create a Facebook app and enter your Facebook app ID that you get from Facebook developers. Here you can see new Facebook comment section is showing instead of default WordPress comment section. Thanks for watching.